Have you just picked up the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3? Well, then stick around, as in this video, we're going to go over the 3 must-have accessories to get the most out of your folding phone. In this video, we're going to go over Samsung's official Aramid fiber case, the S Pen for the Z Fold 3, and finally, Samsung's Trio 500 Smart Bluetooth keyboard. These accessories are a must-have if you plan on getting some serious work done on your Z Fold 3. We have now taken a look at many accessories for the Z Fold 3, so we know what we're talking about when it comes to accessories for this device. Everything we talk about is available to buy now on the Mobile Phone website, linked below. Let's start with something to protect your new device. This official Aramid fiber case from Samsung is extremely thin, adding almost nothing to your phone. The case adds a layer of protection and also adds a textured finish which provides some much needed grip. This stops it sliding out of your hands or pockets so easily, and therefore is less prone to damage. As this case is made by Samsung, you can be sure that it's formed exactly to their specifications, so all buttons and ports are still accessible. And to no one's surprise, wireless charging and power share still work no problem through this case, so there is no loss in functionality. This case is perfect for anyone that wants to protect their phone without adding pull to their pocket. Next, we have the S Pen. This is a new accessory from the Fold lineup, as before, although they had a massive display, you were not able to use an S Pen on them. Well, that's where this new specific S Pen comes in, made especially for the Z Fold 3 with a round end and a spring-loaded nib to make sure you cannot press too hard and damage the folding screen. These styluses have come a long way since the first note. They are much larger, which makes them much more comfortable to use and actually very useful for drawing and photo editing rather than just taking notes. The downside with this one is that you will need to store it in a bag or pocket, as it does not go into the device like the Note series. You can get a case that stores it, which we have also reviewed, linked below in the description. Now, this is something you might not have thought of, but because of the massive screen of the Z Fold 3, you can actually get some real work done on the go. This small keyboard can easily fit into a bag, so if you're on the train, you can use this in combination with your Z Fold 3 and actually write long emails, edit presentations and Word documents all on your phone. Better yet, if you use Samsung DeX and plug your phone into a monitor, you have essentially a small computer that you can take around with you. Perfect for if you're going on a plane but don't want to carry a laptop, as it will take up space and weight. The keys on the keyboard are great. They don't have long travel but are responsive enough and large enough that after a few minutes you'll forget you're typing on a smaller keyboard. You can even connect this to multiple devices, so you can start work on the train, then when you arrive just press a button and voila! Use the same keyboard to connect to your desktop computer and carry on with your work. With these accessories, you can protect your device and get some serious work done on the move. We believe that these will assist you on getting the most out of your Z Fold 3 and the big screen it comes with. If you haven't already, please subscribe for more videos on tech accessories that will help you get the most out of your device. Share this with anyone with a Z Fold 3 and comment below if these are the accessories you would pick up. You can find all of these accessories linked below on the Mobile Phone website, and please follow us on Instagram where we regularly have giveaways. Thanks for watching.